Hello dear students, today we will do letter writing. We'll come to know how to write down a letter. As we all know that we have been writing letter since ages. Till now it is being used. Till now we can see that letter are written to the people, relatives, official letters, etc. No doubt emails, sometimes emails has taken place of it in some cases, but still in some official cases, in some other cases, letters are being used. Let us come to know what are letter writing and how they are written. So letter writing is the finest way of expressing our mind on any existing issue. It can also be a medium of exchanging information and expectations in business deals. It works as a medium of conversation at times when we are making inquiries, placing orders, or registering complaints. And also, it is a medium of conversation with our dear ones. So, there are basically two types of letters: formal letters. These are the letters written for official or business purposes. These include letters of inquiry, placing orders, letter for job application, letter to the editor of newspaper, etc. And the other type of letter is informal letter. These are the letters written to dear ones such as parents, siblings, relatives, or friends. Informal letters are more personal in nature. So now we will discuss about formal letters. Basically, there are some categories of formal letters. First is letter to the editor. Second type of letters are business letters or official letters, you may say. Then comes the letter of inquiry, letter for placing orders, letter for complaint, letter for cancellation of orders, etc. So let us discuss about every kind of letter individually. First comes letters to the editor. Such kind of letters are written to the editor of a newspaper or a magazine on diverse topics relevant to the readers. The subject matter of these letters includes responses to articles previously published in periodicals and sometimes commentary or opinions on current local, state, or national issues. Means such kind of letters are written to the editor of a newspaper or a magazine to discuss about the current issues. Next comes the business or official letters. These letters refer to formal letters which are meant for communicating with a business organization or educational institutions, shop owners, etc. As an individual customer or employee of another organization wishing to develop a business deal. Since these are formal letters, so they should be written in a formal way. So, business letters are basically written for some business purposes to promote the business or to start the business or to develop the business. Next comes the letters of inquiry. If you want to have some inquiry uh, about any organization or any institution as an individual or as an organization, other organization, these kind of letters are written. So these are the letter written to an organization or an institution when an individual or any other organization wants to inquire about something based on which a business deal can be initiated. So if you want to do some business with some other organization, with some other institution, with some other shopkeeper, so such kind of letters are written to know about their uh, do's or don'ts, etc. Letters for placing orders. So these kind of letters are written when an individual or an organization needs to place an order with business organization. If we want to place an order to some organization, to some shop, to some factory, to some company, so these kind of letters are written. These letters refer to enquire done, means in these letters it clears that enquiry has been done. So after that inquiry, or based on that inquiry, the order is placed. Means we are satisfied with the terms and condition of such organization and we are ready to place an order to that institution or organization. The order placed should mention the details specifying if we, the number, type, date for delivery, payment modes and condition, etc. So while writing the letter of placing order, we have to mention that how much quality of the product we need, what type of product we need, on which date we want the delivery, and how will the payment be done, and what are the terms and conditions during that process. Now comes the letter of complaint. These letters are written by the customer to the business organization with whom he or she had made a transaction. It means the task has been done, the order has been placed or received. After receiving the order, after receiving the product, or after having any transaction, these kind of letters are written when the customer is dissatisfied with the deal. These could be due to receiving a damaged product, a wrong consignment, delayed delivery, failing to keep the standard, etc. Suppose order has been placed and received also. After this, after receiving the order, the customer is not satisfied. There may be many reasons. Maybe the product a damaged one, maybe it a wrong consignment, maybe there is delay in delivery. Therefore, after waiting for a long time, the customer does not want to have that product now from that particular organization. Or if the organization or institution is not able to fulfill its own promises, it means the product which is being delivered is not according to the standard which has been discussed before. So such kind of letters are called letter of complaint. Let us discuss about the format of formal letter. In the formal letter, we have to write down the sender's address in the beginning, then comes the date. In sender address means who is writing the letter. Then comes the designation of the receiver, the name of the office, and then address. Designation of the receiver means who is going to receive the letter, to whom the letter is being written, then which office he belongs, and then the address of that office. Then comes the subject, for which purpose the letter is being written. Then comes the salutation, means some respectful words like dear sir, ma'am, etc. Then comes the content of letter, means how the letter is being written. The content of letter is being written in three major paragraphs. First is cause, then result, and then solution. So these three paragraphs are to be written in these kind of letters. Then in the last of the letter, you have to write down your sincerely. Then comes the name of the sender who is writing the letter. So this is the format of formal letter. So dear students, let us know about the example. So this is an example. It is a complaint letter. In this letter, you have seen the address of writer, means sender, then address of receiver, then everything is there. So I hope you have come to know how to write down a formal letter. So such kind of letters are still in use in some official purposes. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay healthy.